Oh boy, we're about to get him with a little low taper. You know how they like it. They don't cut the top. Let's get it. How's that business, bro? How's it been? You had that one day that was going crazy, right? From last time. Huh?
We're kind of cleared out of this neighborhood, but we're gonna go hit up youre.
Yeah. Hey, if you guys don't know, chat, he runs a business, and we're part of his business, right?
He is my co-founder.
Co-founder. Let's go. I look down a little bit. Tell them what the business is.
A little bit of window cleaner.
Is that you just window clean, or you do car stuff too?
No more cars.
No more cars? Why?
Not high enough to profit, I guess.
Yeah.
It takes way longer, and it's hard to get employees.
It takes longer than window cleaning?
Yeah, way longer.
Oh, yeah.
And you can't even charge much.
Yeah. Alright, guys, we'll put the bald line in. Yeah, that's facts. You can't charge me. Well, I mean, some people are charging like a couple $100. Like, my parents pay that when they lived in the old house, but yeah.
We also had a couple $100 for windows.
Yeah. Alright, chat shaver. Bro, I was driving yesterday, and I seen these like girls coming on these line bikes, and I thought they went to your school. Probably did. I don't know. I think one of them looked like Callie Lanton. I don't know if you know who that is. Is what? Yeah. Well, hold on. I'll turn. Bro, that's crazy. Like yesterday or the day before? Physically get the permit, like, before that.
Yeah, you have to go to all your videos before you get the permit?
No. No, because you can complete your 5 drives at any time, and you have to have the permit for that.
Oh, I'm just doing my 5 drives.
That's what I'm... No, but you have the permit before that, even.
Oh, actually?
Yeah, you're supposed to apply for it 10 days before. Apply for the permit to the government.
My birthday's in August. When do I apply for the permit?
Like, on your birthday. Or 10 days before your driver's ed starts, yeah. That's what I did. That's what they told us, but because
You get it right when you apply?
you can get the online. Well, I have still the DOL is like really slow about like giving you the physical one and shipping it here, because you don't want to actually go to the in-person office because it's like the wait time is crazy and stuff. So I have a printout for now that is good too, 1.5. When's your birthday?
Oh, May 30th. I got a long time.
Oh, that's like a year. Oh, almost.
My parents have to let me get a bike.
What?
I'm gonna get a motorcycle. I'm gonna drive.
I'm gonna try and get one too.
My whole family thinks I'm just gonna die if I get it.
I think you're gonna die if you get one. Why do you want a motorcycle?
It's just fun.
Bro, just get like a Suron and then have a car too or something.
I know, Mr. Long's on a fast.
How fast? I don't know how fast they are.
Have you ever ridden one?
No, I just see people in
The
Bellevue.
guy that we came with, like Mateo, he has like 2.
Mateo. Wait, which one was Mateo?
Mateo's like the guy like that.
Who's Ben? Is there someone named Ben Youre or something?
Been here.
That's a different guy. Did I cut Mateo?
Yeah. When was the end?
Okay, I low-key don't remember that so much. I remember you two being here. No, I just cut Ben yesterday.
You gotta save his cat.
Bro, it's hard, bro. No, yeah, it is. It is worse. And you can't like do anything about it. So it's like the fringe just looks a little off because I can't like fix it, you know. It's like I didn't put it there.
What should he do? He just was. I feel like I don't know.
No, I think he should just not. If I had that, I would do like a 70-30 split type of middle part type of thing and split like at the cowlick instead of trying to do a fringe where it just looks like one part won't go down.
You know that Asian haircut where it's like a middle part but it's here and it like curls down?
That's like a 70-30 split. All right, guys, one guard. He looks so what?
It's like he's constantly holding it out loud.
One guard. One guard.
Wait, do you have any money in Bitcoin?
No.
You should listen in like today.
Why?
The show.
Well, how much?
Like a lot.
Why?
Because when I put my shit in, now it went up 30K.
30 what?
30K.
How much did you put in?
No, I put in like 3 grand, 4 grand.
Actually?
Yeah.
Well, I have to like do it behind my mom's back through Cash App then.
She's not gonna let you.
No. But I have to,
No, just get coin there. It's like,
bro,
do that.
no, he's not gonna let me eat it. Bro, you know you can put money in Bitcoin through Cash App?
Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah.
You need like IDs or something.
But it's cause it's fine because hers works.
The thing that I use, I had to put in my dad's social security.
Well, yeah, our Cash App already has that and stuff, so it's like just chilling. Yo, I cannot post this video now. If she sees this. Chad, should I do the Bitcoin behind? It's my money. My mom, bro. I hope she doesn't watch my YouTube channel. She's not gonna make it this long into my YouTube video. It's fine. All right, guys. Half guard, open, halfway, close, flick. No guard. Half minute.
Wait, do you have like an investment account?
Yeah, but I don't do like short-term stock stuff. It's just my stuff's in like ETFs and S&P 500.
All my shit's in like mutual funds.
Yeah, that's what the ETF.
Goes in 70-30 split for stocks and bonds.
All right, taper's done there. Let me get this side. All right, guys, look at this. Use the corner and then just do your thing, bro. Halfway. Close it. You guys working today?
Yeah. After this, I'm gonna make some more sales.
How many have you made today?
Today we have had like 3, right?
All right, I was printing yesterday. Today I low-key printed 2. I just launched a new program. So it's low-key been printing because it's just so untapped that like everyone wants it. So many warm leads. Yes, bro. Made like a K yesterday.
You already have the program?
Huh? Yeah, I built it out. I launched yesterday. 1K. It's pretty low ticket. I'm doing 300 lifetime access to all the videos and stuff, just teaching. And then 500 if they want like part of the mentorship. All right. Like if they want me to actually coach them weekly and stuff. All right, chat. We're going to line up now with our soft trimmers. Couple. I think I had like 3 yesterday. I had some people put deposits of like $100.
So is it just all barbers?
Yeah, so far. But like, look, you don't even have to be a barber to make money from this. Just reselling clippers.
Yeah.
It helps that you're a barber because you know barbers would want to buy it.
It's like people that's already in your program.
Some of them, not all of them. But yeah, low-key, a lot of them did want. Actually, no, yesterday was the day after launch day. Launch day, I think I got like 1 to 2 people. I got Dylan and Johnny, so 2. Alright, guys, pull the ear back and then just come in the front. Bro, this guy who I hired, he does like AI OFM, and he's making a good amount off of that. And he sells like a program on it.
I might try starting like a program on like selling it out of business.
Selling what?
Out of businesses.
Yeah. You do that? You sell AI to... Oh.
I might make a program on it.
Yeah? Or you stay right here?
Bro, it's Loki challenge.
Yeah.
Remember when I tried to name them?
Yeah,
There's
I'll
like this
try
piece of
to.
software that you get and you can like custom make your own version of ChatGPT.
Yeah.
I was thinking about making like my own data scraper and then just not even selling course and just say like you need this data scraper.
What's a data scraper for?
It gets numbers so then you can call businesses.
Yeah.
So it just generate a bunch of numbers.
So it gets you leads.
Yeah. And then you just call.
Yeah. Chat, we gotta make sure that we enunciate his hooks. Then just run the thinners on him, just like that. Don't cut his ear off though. It's crazy, boy. Crazy, boy. Don't leave your girl in my room. I have her eating cherries off my hand like Usher. You guys seen the videos from like Usher's concert when he was here? He had these like girls with boyfriends like eating cherries. That's crazy. All right, do you want to actually? All right, I can take 1/4 inch off. No, do you hear the lyric? About Usher? Usher's concert here. He had these girls like eating cherries off of his hand. That's like his thing at his concerts. That's why you can't let your girlfriend go to like an Usher concert. All right, do you actually want to cut this or not? All right.
You should just buzz it without a note.
That's assault, bro. Like that's genuinely assault. Like I could actually go to jail. No.
Alright, I know you know Granger.
No. Granger?
Griffin used to have like this majestic fluffy hair, and they just like $0 buzzes. They didn't call him.
Who's Granger?
You've got him like one or twice.
Really?
He used to got from our school.
No, he
Hey,
hasn't.
$0 buzzes.
Oh, no.
Like Griffin is bald, bro. He has 0 names.
Bro, you know Sam Lefebvre, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, I seen him, and I need to get paid for his haircut, bro. I think he finessed me. He put a card that he knew was gonna decline on the thing, and it declined. I was like, "Do you have another way to pay?" He's like, "Yes." I'm like, "Oh, I bet." He's like, "I'll just do it when I rebook for next time." I'm like, "Hey, you able to do that right quick, like right now?" And he's like, "Yeah, bro, sure." He's ghosted me.
Is this like collab?
This is Sam
No, obvious, that one guy.
Lefebvre.
I know.
And bro, like
Yeah.
bro, now I haven't got paid for this, and he's just been ghosting me. The messages they're all green now.
Bro.
It's big.
They're green.
Yes, bro. That's why I make sure I click the charge card button when they're still here now. And then it happened with someone else, but they paid me through Apple Cash. That was chill. But bro, I think that's the first time. I was like, there's no way I would ever get finessed like that. Like the day before.
Bro, he goes to our school. We got to.
Nah.
Not anymore.
Roosevelt.
And just pull up to Rav's. He's always there.
What was that?
Are you gonna stay at UPrep
Eastside Prep?
or Eastside Prep?
Yeah, I am. Nah, bro, it's chill, whatever. Because he started going to Johnny instead, and then he came. He's like, bro, Johnny brainwashed me. Like, I should have never left going to you. I was like, Johnny Clips at Royalty Cuts. He's like, that's what he said. He texted me. He's like, Johnny brainwashed me. And then he's like, Johnny said he was going to give him money for filming these videos for him, and he never paid him. And he was like complaining about how like people would say they're going to pay you and they never pay you. And then he...
So remember that? Bro, we haven't gotten paid so many times.
How?
We always come back and just harass them.
Yeah.
Who hasn't paid you?
No, we always get paid because we go back.
But like,
There's that one job. There's so much.
dude, they were never home and they left mid-job and said, we'll pay you. Just come back later, we'll pay you. And we just kept coming back and they were never home. Or they were just like hiding.
They were hiding, bro.
Did they ever pay you though?
Yeah.
We got it. Because we saw them in the living room. And we were not letting
And then did they pay you? They pay you cash or what?
Yeah.
Down a little bit. Lean back a little bit.
Sawyer, we should go to Inverness.
Yeah.
Bro, you guys should go to Bellevue.
Bellevue? They got houses there, right?
Yes, bro, but it's a rich area.
The houses on the water, everyone thinks like go to them, but they already have gardens.
No, not the ones on the water. Just go to Clyde Hill and these people's houses. They'll be like really nice and they'll let you do this stuff.
Clyde Hill.
Clyde Hill. It's like kind of right off the bridge.
Oh, I've probably been there.
You can, well, yeah, it's like near my school, bro. It's where all like
It's
the,
all the way across the water.
it's in Kirkland.
It's in person?
Yeah. It's like a 16, 17 minute drive though. It's like chill.
You just drive there and go.
Well, you have to be with your parent, but actually, it's with someone who's over 20 who's been driving for more than 5 years, which is like good for me.